Murag Singapore po.
Oo. World Mall. Grabe ka nindot sa ano? Sa Cebu Mactan International Airport. Ninduta, uy. Murag mall man, no? Kumplitog mga narayaw tanaw pamudyaw, no? Oh. Amo na arrival, di ba?
Murag Singapore po.
Oo. World Mall. Dito ta sa unahan. Diri siguro ta musod. Check-in. Grabe ka dako ning airport din sa kuan. Sa Cebu, Mactan, karon na dito naka. Sa bagay, nakaani ta diri pero wa man ta ka-explore na yung ani, no? Kay diri man taming kuan. Na. Grabe talaga, napakanindot. Diri ang 9. Nindot kaayo ang kuan, ang Cebu Mactan International Airport. Napaka murag mall gyud. Oh. Murag mall. Pod Avenue. Nga pa siya kuan oh. Pod Avenue diri kanang pod ano. Grabe. Like Jollibee. Kompleto. Di ka magutom diri. Asa sudan? Diri sa Jollibee Pilipinas. Mag-order ka doon diri na. Ano lang sa kanila. Order ko chicken joy. Ya, lang chicken joy, 1 piece or 1. Yan ang sunod. Mga nang pandiri. Pagkahuman, nakuha na ng number. Ang bayad gini diri lang. Tapos paon na nimo. Napay Crocs, no? Grabe, murang mall man. Napay Sunglasses Gallery. Napay Beans. Grabe. Napay Island Souvenir, no? Murang magka ng mall. Git 9 ta. I-report man na ini.
Yes, sir. Road 61 to 73, sir.
Ayan, paal naman tayo guys. Ang sasakyan natin from Cebu to Davao. Pupunta tayo ng Davao. Good morning, ma'am. Ayan, mabuhay. Upo pa tayo, sa dulo pa tayo. Ayan, paal naman tayo guys. Ang sasakyan natin from Cebu to Davao. Pupunta tayo ng Davao. Good morning, ma'am. Ayan, mabuhay. Upo pa tayo, sa dulo pa tayo. Davao City, see you Davao.
Puso po namin kitinatanggap dito sa PR 1345 patungong Davao City. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR 1345 bound for Davao City. Our pilot in command is Captain Ray Samala, and this is your head cabin attendant, John Jimena. Our estimated flying time is approximately 50 minutes, and we shall be cruising at an altitude of 29,000 feet.
To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down.
Sa ibabaw sa Mintal, no? Davao City, kada itong nakita karon ang Dika Homes Mintal Community. Ayan, no? Yan ang Dika Homes sa Mintal, Davao City. Nakikita natin ngayon sa Himpapawid. Ayan, napakaganda, no? Napaka-green ang Davao City. Natin ngayon ay
nasa Dika Talungo.
Ayan, no? Davao City pa rin yan. Napakaganda, ang Dika Talungo. Napakadaming bahay na guys, at dito tayo nakatira sa may bahay na nagkumpulan sa sobrang dami.
Dika Talungo yaw to.
Dika Talungo. Ayan, nakikita natin sa ibabaw ng Himpapawid.
Kita kayo itong kuhan, walay.
Laro residence dito sa bahay. Dito yung bahay namin, no? Yan ang Dika Talungo.
Ito lang ang maraw, walang naikuhan, no? May swimming pool.
Sa ating mga pasahero, sa loob po lamang ng ilang sandali, tayo ay lalapag na. Tiyakin na nakakabit ang inyong mga seatbelt. Sa lahat ng cabin crew, manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt. Attention everyone, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Magtuod din, no?
na hotel ya o kaya nagtindog na isa. Thank you, Lord. Davao International Airport. Touchdown. Thanks God.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Davao City. The local time is 18 minutes past the hour late in the morning. And the date today is March 21, 2025. On behalf of Captain Ray Samana and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Ladies and gentlemen, please be informed of the smoking ban in Davao City. This is strictly implemented in all enclosed buildings, public transportation, and public places in the city, including any part of Davao International Airport. Thank you. We would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened while waiting for your numbers to be called for deplaning. Thank you.
Welcome to Davao again. Ay, pamicture. Di ba taga Davao ka? Love Philippines. Ayan, welcome to Davao International Airport. Ayan, abot na tayo ng bakasyon. Diretso na tayo dito sa ito ang service na itong gibilin diri. Upat ka adlaw na itong gibilin. Itong Ato na, let's go. Napa pa kaya itong service dire? Ato gibilin dire. Upat ka adlaw. Nanaaw na to kung napa ba. Waras tumoy. Ayan, tanaw na to nitong service, no? Kung naapa ba kay upat ka adlaw na to gibilin dire sa Davao International Airport na parking lot. Murag na pa man. Ato sang ikuan kung mao ba ni. Oh, siyempre. Ah, 6 ayo open.